Hello rainbows, welcome back. This is part 7 of this beautiful series that I'm doing, the animals. And I have been speaking on the AARDWOLF, this amazing animal that was born in Africa. And the AARDWOLF was the master of the burrows, keeper of hidden ones. Many stories say the AARDWOLF knows all the secret paths beneath the earth, where healing spirits dwell, ancestor bones rest, magic sleeps, forgotten memories await. It symbolizes the ability to navigate the subconscious, forgotten childhood wounds, hidden talents and gifts. The AARDWOLF spirit carries the following gifts. 1. Moon-born intuition, increases psychic awareness, dream recall, and sixth sense. Number 2, shadow protection, keeps you safe from jealous people, gossip, hidden threats, emotional attackers. 3, survival wisdom, teaches how to thrive quietly, without conflict, without seeking validations, without depending on others' approval. Number 4, gentle courage. You face life without aggression. You win through consistency, not force. 5, dream walking. Many shamans believed the AARDWOLF could enter dreamscapes to guide and to warn you. Who does the AARDWOLF protect? The spirit protects gentle souls, empaths, quiet, intuitive people, those who survived emotional chaos, those who fear conflict, those who are spiritually awakening, people walking away from toxic relationships, those who feel different or misunderstood. If the AARDWOLF appears to you, it means you are protected in silence. Your intuition is awakening. Trust the whispers. So if you find yourself in any of these lists and you feel like there may be no way out, call on this animal spirit and ask him to show you a secret path, a new way out to a new beginning.